So let's kind of talk a little bit about RPE or revenue per employee. So everybody's going to have a different idea on what's going to be the best, right? And every area that you live in the country is going to have a different average salary for a plumber, right? Or for an HVAC tech or for an electrician. So you kind of need to take this with a grain of salt in that you need to look at where you're at locally, determine what that technician's pay is on average going to be paid in that area. So, for example, a plumbing company in this area might have a technician that makes anywhere between $50,000 and $100,000 a year, right, in revenue, and so typically, like if you want to focus on growing your business, you need to make sure that, and this is what I do. Okay, so like you know, I'm not the expert, right? So if you're looking for educational things, right, or advice, take my stuff with a grain of salt. This is just what I'm doing. All right, so like this is for educational purposes only, but look at trying to charge like 3 times what their rate is at a minimum, right? So like if somebody's making, or if a team of 2 guys, let's say a licensed technician with an apprentice, let's say you have to pay them $100 an hour, make sure you're charging $300 an hour for their time, okay? It's just as simple as that. So I'd say, if you can look at trying to figure out what the cost is for your time and for your plumber's time or your tradesman, then you can, find a good happy medium.